Okay, here we have the AMS open-faced auger with a hex pin connection set and a ratchet. As you can see, the ratchet has a switch here which enables you to change the direction of the ratchet or lock it in place if you want to. So in terms of connecting the head up, pin is just disconnect. Connect the hex pin connection onto the auger and snap the pin in place. All the weight is on the hex pin, it's not on the pin. The pin is just purely to keep the two pieces connected together. And then repeat the same process for the handle of the auger. And then we're ready to go. And of course you can add in extensions if you want to go deeper than what we've got. Always a good idea if you want to have an indication of depth of the hole, just with a bit of electrical tape. You can mark the head here is 30 centimeters, so we know that approximately here is around about 60 centimeters. We can be specific with this with a tape measure if you want to, but just gives an indication of how far we've got into the ground. So I've got one more mark here, and that's approximately 90 centimeters to 1 meter. Okay, mark your spot. Always important to start with the first piece, and you'll twist the grass around the head. So just make a little mark, probably remove it, and then just remove the initial grass, and then we can start to make our hole. So let the auger do the work. It will drive itself down into the ground. Important not to overfill the auger. Just lift it up, and then we can start to build our profile, our sample. Quite heavy clay. See, there we are now at about 50 centimeters. Whilst using this by hand, there is a Idaho spoon available as well, which will enable you to use the metal spoon to remove the sample. And there we are, 1 meter open-faced auger, done.